We will guide you through how to change layer name in Photoshop. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Photoshop. Open the Photoshop project containing the layers you want to rename. Go to the Layers panel, which is normally located on the right side of the workspace. Look through the layer stack and find the specific layer whose current name you want to change, using its thumbnail and position to help identify it. Click the layer once to select it, making sure the correct row is highlighted before continuing. Double-click directly on the current layer name rather than on its thumbnail, visibility icon, or empty area. Wait until the name becomes editable and a text box appears around it, showing that Photoshop is ready to accept a replacement. Delete the old layer name carefully so no unwanted letters or spaces remain. Type the new layer name, choosing a short but descriptive label that clearly explains what the layer contains or controls. Press the Enter key to confirm the new name and exit the editing field. Look at the selected layer in the Layers panel and check that the new name appears exactly as intended. Repeat the same selection, double-clicking, typing, and confirmation process for any other layers that also need clearer labels. Organize related layers with consistent and meaningful names, such as background, main subject, logo, text, shadow, or color adjustment, so the project is easier to navigate and edit later. Save your Photoshop project as a PSD file to preserve the renamed layers, editable content, masks, and effects. Close the document when saving is complete. Then reopen the project and inspect the Layers panel once more to verify that every updated layer name was stored correctly and remains visible after the file is loaded again.